Good morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Dawson JP with an episode from the Echizen coast, West Japan. This is where my wife grew up as a child, can you believe it? It's a beautiful location. Join me today for a little walk, a little talk. Let's go exploring in a place where not many tourists have been. Well, I say not many tourists, not many Western tourists have been. These kind of videos are few and far between on YouTube, and I'd like to bring you along with me and explore secret locations like this and expose the west side of Japan a little bit more, so then you can come to Japan and enjoy this like I enjoy it. It's not Tokyo, it's not Kyoto, it's not Osaka. This is the Echizen coast, 40 minutes west of Fukui. So over the next 2 weeks, join me. Let's go for walks, talks, explore, and let me show you this beautiful side of Japan. Coffee. So guys, here we are, the rocky outcrop. Have any viewers of mine ever toured up and down the west coast of Japan? You know, everybody talks about, you know, Kyoto, Tokyo, Osaka, you know, these fantastic places that are tourist hotspots. But has anybody hired a car and driven up and down the west coast and seen this coast in particular, the Echizen coast? I can't seem to find anything online, or, you know, any vloggers or bloggers that are documenting this side of Japan in detail. You know, the little stops along the way, the beautiful little coastal towns and things like that. In the future, that's something I'd love to do. I'd love to record this side of Japan and show everybody around the world how beautiful it is. This is it. Pretty impressive, hey? And it's so peaceful. The ocean's pretty clear today as well. When you're doing these kinds of things, I suppose it's worth mentioning, please be very safe. It can be dangerous. The ground isn't even, and the drop off the side can be quite dangerous. Well, I think it'd be life-threatening, especially when you get a bit higher. So, girls and boys at home, take it easy when you're doing this. Slowly, slowly. Let's keep going. Wow, the ocean's beautiful. Be a fantastic place to come snorkeling in these little bays. I don't know if you can see this on the camera. These are pretty steep. Don't think anybody's been up here for a while and walking through a lot of spider webs. Great. Don't know if you can see them on the camera, but there's bugs and all sorts everywhere. I haven't been stung by a hornet yet. But I won't be far off, I think. There's loads of them around. Going into summer now in Japan. Oh, probably already summer. 30 degrees today. Humidity's high. I'm sweating. Just being careful here, I don't want to take a wrong step. The ocean looks beautiful, but I just don't fancy a swim at the moment, not in these circumstances. Well, there you go. Thanks for joining me, guys. It's time to go and have some breakfast. Catch you on the next one.